Roasted squash and carrot salad with chickpeas and almonds. You know, one of those kind of not enough time, kind of lazy, I want to relax kind of meal. There's nothing better. A nice selection of cheese and charcuterie, and then this great salad. And you're looking at this salad, this is all kind of vegetables. Yes, roasted vegetable and escarole salad. So get yourself some squash, whether it's delicata squash, whether it's acorn squash, or a butternut squash, whatever you like here. Let's put the carrots, peel them, cut them. The important thing about this is that you cut it about the same size so that they cook at the same time, the vegetables. That looks good. Let's put it in the bowl. And this roasting vegetable technique, I'm going to toss it with a green salad, and it's going to be a great accompaniment for the cheese board and the charcuterie board. But these vegetables like this can be a great side dish to anything else that you have. So let's dress these vegetables before we put them to roast. Salt, oil, some pepper, and let's mix. So I want to give it some flavor of the wild, let's say, fennel. Fennel always evokes in me that kind of open space, Sicilian countryside. And here you have the fennel seeds. You can buy fennel seeds all the time. You find them all the time in sausages, whatever. But I use the powder. So you take these seeds, if you have a spice mill, you grind it just like that into powder, and you put it just like this. So you mix it well. Everything is coated. And you have a baking pan, so just like that. Spread it, give it a chance for every piece to kind of cook and caramelize. You heat your oven at 425 degrees and for about 20 minutes, and it is done. This one is from social media. George, blue cheese intimidates me. How can I serve it in a way that I will like it? Blue cheese, in Italy, gorgonzola, has a mold in it that actually breaks down the cheese and gives it a lot of flavor. You can serve it many ways. I like my cheese with polenta, so making some nice warm polenta, and then I put gorgonzola, and that's a whole meal. You can bake it, baked cheese, but blue cheese gets stronger as it gets cooked and baked. To anything that you can add the blue cheese without cooking it is the best. Keep on trying because it's a delicious cheese. It's one of my favorite cheese. So enjoy, and thank you, George, for your email. Ah, that looks good. Just like that. Let's add the chickpeas and just spread them around. I just want them to get a little crunchy because the chickpeas are cooked. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil just to bless the chickpeas. And then I'm gonna put balsamic vinegar. That's gonna really bring another dimension of flavor. That's good. Let's put this back in the oven. And about 10 minutes, just until everything is caramelized, and it's going to be ready. I also like a little crunch at the end. So I'm gonna toast some almonds. And yes, you can toast the almonds in the oven, but I want it close by because, you know, they get sometimes burned so quickly, so this way I can keep my eye on it. So a nice pan like that. Let's spread them out. Gives you so much more flavor. So escarole. I love escarole. I certainly use it a lot. It is a sort of fall-winter vegetable, but you have it year-round. It's inexpensive. I'm gonna take out the tougher parts and then I can make a soup out of this. I'm gonna use just the inside, the soft part of the escarole for the salad. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl. So this is the basis of the green part of the salad, escarole. Now, if you don't have escarole, you can use other salads. And I'm looking at this, and this is toasted enough. Let's check the vegetables. The vegetables are nice, crispy, just the way I like it. So we let them cool just a little bit before making the salad, although the escarole is a resilient salad. Now, with all of this, you have all those goodies on your table. You need to pay attention to some bread, too. We have breadsticks. We have taralli. And here we have carta di musica. And carta di musica is sheet music. Usually you just take it like that, and you can bring it to the table just like that. We have a nice selection here. So they have a choice. And you know, the ricotta salata, which we're gonna grate over the salad, and I think I'm set to make the salad. So here we are, the escarole. Nice, beautiful. Let's put the vegetables. The ceci de garbanzo is nice and crispy. The vegetables, look at this, how beautiful. Now, the dressing part. Oil, of course. This is already dressed with oil, so I need it basically for the salad. And balsamic vinegar. That's the acidity for this salad. Now, let's plate it. Let's grab some of those vegetables underneath. I am going to put on top of this some ricotta salata. This is ricotta salata, so you all know ricotta. But when the herdsmen were up in the mountain, and in order to preserve the ricotta, they would salt the ricotta. And the salt would dry some more. And salt is a preservative as well. So we have salted ricotta. And this is a brilliant invention. And dry ricotta is really good because it's between the fresh and the sort of dry cheese. Delicious. And I'm going to put some toasted almonds. It's not the end yet to this wonderful dish. Okay. Just like that. And the almonds just add that little kind of last taste, crunch, and that is our beauty. So, now I'm gonna make my own little plate here. Okay. A little ricotta salata. Okay. A little toasted almonds. Let me taste and let me tell you. The crunchiness of the salad, the sweetness of the vegetables, the ceci have its kind of nuttiness, so it's a delicious. And with this I thought, you know, a nice beer would go just fine. I have my glass, I hope you get your glass. Now, I got it done. I don't do this too often, but I wasn't gonna go look for the opener. And in the kitchen, they would, you know, chug it down. But I'm gonna be a lady because you out there deserve it. And I don't like froth or foam on my beer. I'm gonna put just a little bit. And everything delicious, I want to invite you. Salute! Tutti a tavola a mangiare!